Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Assist. In this guide video, I will show you how to delete Line account permanently. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open Line application. You can see over here Line application has been opened. Make sure you're logged in to your account. So if you want to delete your account permanently, it is actually very simple. For that, what you have to do is tap on the gear icon that you can see at the top right corner of your screen. Now you'll be led to the settings interface. You'll be able to find various options over here. Under the section for personal info, you'll be able to find the option for accounts. Simply tap on it. Now you'll be led to the account interface. You'll be able to find the informations about your account over here. Simply scroll down to the bottom. At last, you'll be able to find the option for delete account. What you have to do is simply tap on it. Now once you tap on that option, this kind of pop-up will appear. If you delete your Line account, you won't be able to log in with it anymore. Are you sure you want to continue? Tap on the option next that you can see on the screen. You'll be led to this kind of interface. You'll be able to see your items over here. You'll be able to find the options like coins, points, stickers, themes, etc. If you delete your Line account, your purchase history, coins, points and purchase items will all be deleted. So simply tap on this option. I understand that all my items will be permanently deleted. Now simply scroll down. Now you'll be able to see the section for authorized app over here. Right now I do not have any authorized apps, but if you have the authorized apps over here, you'll be able to see it. What you have to do is simply tap on this option. I understand that I will lose access to my Line account's authorized apps. Also, you will lose access to any items you purchase through those apps. Also, you'll be able to see the section for important over here. If you delete your Line account, your friend list, chat history, coins, points, purchase items and authorized apps will be permanently deleted. They cannot be recovered. So simply check on this option. I agree and understand that all of my account data will be permanently deleted. Once you do that, tap on this option, delete account, that you can see on the screen. Now this kind of pop-up will appear. Simply tap on the delete option that you can see on the screen. Now once you do that, your Line account will successfully be deleted and you'll be logged out of your account. So like this, you'll be able to delete your account. So that is how you delete Line account permanently. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.